on. You quit rolling and stuff. I had to turn the camera off. It was disgusting. Which way do you want to go? You want to go this way? You want to go that way? She'll have to think about it for a while. We'll be back. What are you eating? She's like a vacuum cleaner. That's a real hound dog for you in miniature. Well, she didn't want to go for very much of a walk. This is the front of that old hospital here. So we'll head back and get some more done at home. In this real and terribly scientific test of a fake Kurt 8-inch milling vise. And with my huge strength, we will check rear jaw deflection. This is the piece of steel between the jaws held up by a couple of 1, 2, 3 blocks. That's about the jaws in an average position. And we have a dial indicator here. It says it's now this one reads in thousands each number, so it's 5 thousandths, half a revolution or 10 thousandths a revolution. And the little tick marks, of course, are 10 thousandths. See, where are we? Yeah. Okay, hold on. I hope you're all doing good this evening. And I'll get you hovering at a good spot. Maybe you can see everything going on here. Okay, I don't think there's much glare right now, so. Okay, here we go. Let me tighten this. Everything loosens up. There we are. Okay, here we go. Now, this is actually a 6-inch vise handle, but that's what came with this. But we will see. I think an actual 8-inch one's about 2 inches longer. Get a good spot here. Okay, here we go. Well, about 6 thousandths and 1/10 deflection. Now, remember, semi-precision layout is 2 thousandths. The vise will be okay to stick like a block of steel like this in and drill some not too big of holes. And the one thing you can do, you can also add a clamp in one of the slots and help hold stuff down for safety's sake. We'll try it one more time here. See if it returns to 0. Well, all but 2/10 of it returned to 0. Just got to find an adjustment here. See if I can get it back on 0 here. Just right about there. It's about 1/10 under. Here we go. One more time. And we are looking at, just a 1/10, right about 6 thousandths. 6 thousandths deflection tightening, tight enough to hold something really firmly. Now, I think my experience with original Kurt would probably be 2 thousandths at the most. Okay. enough of that. Got some clouds passing over, but it might be a good time to show you something I think is kind of dramatic. Let's have a quick look at it. Now, this old drill, I post photos of this on the videos, and I hope the light is right. Hey, look who's here. The light is right for you. She doesn't go too far. She sticks pretty close here. Okay, let's see. I'm going to do it from different angles. But this base was planed on a planer, and I'm hoping you can see the stripes here. Try different, see this striped effect. Now, those marks left by the planer aren't in the tenths of thousandths in depth. They're in the millionths of an inch depth. They're very shallow, and you can quickly erase these with Scotch-Brite. You know, rub Scotch-Brite on it. They're gone forever. But I thought it was kind of a good point to show this with the before pictures, how rusted this machine was. And the method of scraping off the rust carefully with straight razor blades is the best way to start. And that's the traditional way to do it, and it takes a long time, but not really, you know, because this is, what if it took you a day, you know, so what? It took some years for this thing sitting in the weather to get bad. But I took and removed that thick rust that you see in those photos, and then used a brass brush, no power tools, the acetone mixed with the auto transmission fluid, and scrubbed it. Now I'm going to go around to the side here. What I did is I had to push this table forward and expose that. And I'm just going to take this moosh mix on there and just smear it over with a rag now until I get this thing under cover. I'll go around to the other side and look at that side of this table here that's planed. All of this is planed here. See that? The original top was, but it's been damaged and resurfaced. This table's had considerable more use than the drill. So we'll go around the other side. Okay, we'll follow the planing marks on around, and you can see that it's taken quite a beating here over the years. I suppose this was on a Carlton drill at one time. Okay, I think you can see the planer marks here, and scrape that heavy rust off, but I haven't scrubbed it with the brush. So I'll start doing that and show you how to preserve that. Okay, I will be back in a bit.